In a surprise collapse on Friday, startup-focused lender SVB Financial Group became the greatest bank failure since the financial crisis of 2008 that sent shockwaves through global markets and left billions of assets of businesses and investors stranded. Authorities have seized assets of the bank, and Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation has been called in to take over the institution and handle the sale of its assets. The FDIC say that all insured depositors at Silicon Valley Bank will have full access to their insured savings as of Monday, March 13th at the latest. The bank's main headquarters and all of its branches will reopen on Monday, but the FDIC reports that as of the end of 2022, 89% of the bank's $175 billion in deposits were not insured.
That we will get access to the $250,000 on Monday. But after that, trying to get access to the remaining capital is going to take months. So the reality is we can't operate our business without accessing some capital. So our options are basically to go find debt until we can get access to this capital.
The abrupt failure of Silicon Valley Bank shocked the startup community, which had grown to rely on the lender as a stable source of funding, especially for the most ambitious projects in the tech industry. It had become the 16th largest U.S. bank by assets in the year 2022. The bank had over $200 billion in assets and approximately $175 billion in deposits. Currently, tech startups are facing serious trouble when it comes to financing.
If you're a startup, cash is king. The cash and the workflow to be able to have runway is critical. And so access to the cash to be able to now pay your employees to actually cover the expenses you've got is the thing that I'm mostly worried about. It's just to make sure that we can do that. And so we'll figure out a way to bridge and manage that.
The SVB collapse comes on the heels of the crypto-focused Silvergate Bank's shutdown. Silvergate marked the first U.S. bank casualty of FTX's collapse and the market rout that followed the news. Those woes were already reverberating across financial markets, in addition to widespread worries about the Federal Reserve's plans for more and faster rate rises and plunging global stock prices. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.